Ready to unlock the secrets behind your content's performance on Google Discover and supercharge your content strategy. First, make sure you have Google Search Console set up for your website. This is where Google Discover data lives. Log into your Looker Studio account and create a new report by clicking the blank report option. Now, it's time to connect your Google Search Console data. Click Get Data and search for Search Console. Select Search Console from the list of data sources. You'll be prompted to choose the specific website you want to analyze. Then, under Table Options, very important, select Discover instead of the default Search Console. Click Get in the top right corner. Looker Studio automatically creates a basic table showing your Discover data. Now, let's visualize this data. Click at a chart and choose a chart type that suits your needs, like a time series chart for impressions over time or a bar chart for clicks per page. Drag and drop the relevant dimensions and metrics onto the chart configuration panel. For instance, drag date to the dimension field and impressions to the metric field. Customize the chart's appearance to make it visually appealing and easy to understand. Repeat the process to add more charts and tables, exploring different dimensions and metrics like clicks, CTR, and specific Discover pages. Remember to use filters to segment your data. Maybe looking at Discover performance by country. Now you have your Discover data in Looker Studio. Congratulations! Subscribe for more content insights.